Hey there. Ever walked into your house only to get slapped by a stink that has you scrambling for the door? Yeah, if it's gas you're smelling, that's not just a stink bomb, it's a potential danger zone. But chill, 'cause today I've got the goods to help you bid farewell to that nasty gas smell and welcome some peace of mind. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! First things first, let's get Sherlock Holmes on this and find out where the gas smell is coming from. Your kitchen appliances, heaters, even your gas pipelines could be the culprits. Check those appliances out. Any cracks, loose connections? If your stove's looking a bit shady, switch it off, unplug it, and keep it at arm's length. Pipes are up next. Look out for rust, discoloration, anything that screams damage. If you sniff out a seriously strong gas smell, though, get out of there ASAP and give 911 or your gas company's emergency hotline a ring. Your next mission, should you choose to accept it, is to turn off your gas supply. Find your main gas shutoff valve, usually it's hanging out near your gas meter. Once you've got your eyes on the prize, give that valve a clockwise twist to cut off the gas supply. And hey, if this seems like rocket science or you just can't find the valve, book it out of there and call for backup. Now we're talking airflow. Bust open all the windows and doors in the gas-filled zone. Switch on fans or ventilation systems if you've got them. Keeping the air flowing until the gas smell is history is crucial, or else you're inviting a serious health hazard to the party. Next up, get everyone out of the building as quickly as you can without causing a stampede. Steer clear of light switches, lighters, anything that could spark up those gas fumes. Same goes for your phone and other electronic gear. Once you're out in the open, give 911 or your gas company's hotline a call, fill them in on the situation, and don't forget to mention the smell of gas. And don't even think about going back in until a pro gives you the green light. Alright folks, are you still getting a hint of that gas stink? If yes, let's pull out our secret weapons, odor absorbers. These are our true allies in our war against those lingering, unwanted gas smells. The first line of defense is activated charcoal. This is a real heavyweight champ when it comes to absorbing odors. All you need to do is take some of this stuff, which you can grab online or at your local home goods store, and place it in bowls or in small fabric bags. Strategically distribute these around the offending area. You'll be amazed at how well this natural porous material locks away those gas smells. Next in our arsenal is the old faithful baking soda. Mother Nature's deodorizer, if you will. You can use it just like the activated charcoal. Fill up some bowls with it or put it in small bags and place them around your house. Leave it there, and it'll start sponging up that gas smell. But hey, if you're more of a high-tech person, we've got you covered too. Air purifiers and commercial odor absorbers are all great options. The odor absorbers come in all shapes and sizes, from gels to beads to sprays. Just make sure to follow the instructions on the label, because each one works a little differently. Now, regardless of what odor absorber you're using, one key point to remember is they aren't immortal. Over time, they're going to get saturated with those nasty gas fumes. So, keep an eye on them and replace or refresh them regularly. By deploying these odor absorbers, you'll be effectively giving that lingering gas smell the boot, bringing your house back to the sweet smell of safety. And there you have it, folks. An easy guide on how to get rid of gas smell in your house. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video with anyone who needs it, and drop a comment if you found these tips helpful or if you've got some of your own to share. Stay safe and smell free.